What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are using this weekend, and I pray that you had a wonderful trading week, and I guess you're preparing yourselves for the next trading week using this weekend. Well, this is your boy Harlan, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be our weekly outlook for the coming week. I'll be sharing possible direction and possible insights of what we might be looking for on 5 pairs that I usually trade, right? But before I get any further with the video, make sure you like on the video, you subscribe to the channel if you're new to my channel. But if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the return and thanks for the support. Share the video, comment on the video, click the link on my description to sign up with the brokers that I use. And to most of all, check out the day in the live loss that I recently dropped. They cool, they fire, they're educational, and far most importantly, useful. So when we hit the charts and look at the NAS, right, you can clearly see that the structure of the NAS, we are still in a uptrend, but price is kind of obviously reacting on our previous zones, right, based on obviously price printing out this intraday support, right, which kind of like got violated above, and now price is looking to close. Now price has closed the market above in the zone. So all that I'm now waiting for my trade idea over the coming week is to just be bearish if price is below the zone based on the momentum of multiple reactions. But if price stays above the zone, then I guess would have to be bullish. Also based on anticipation that we are above our support, we're creating what new resistance, right? So my trade idea is very simple. If price trades below this very same zone, I'm looking to be bearish. But if price trades above or price holds this zone above, then I guess I would have to be bullish. Do you guys get that? So that's my first take on the NAS. Looking at the second pair, which is gold. So gold, I'm waiting for confirmation because you can clearly see that from the spare move, prices reacted on our intraday zone. But I forgot if it's an intraday or a major zone, right? But prices reacted on our zone and looked to be bullish, right? So you can clearly see that obviously prices created this this intraday zone, right? This previous zone, the price is created with multiple touches and a touch and another touch and breaking below. Now price is looking to trade above this zone, but my trade idea or me having to say I'm waiting for confirmation is to see that will price hold above this zone to be bullish, or will price be bearish? This zone will be below this zone and look to take my sales, right? But I'm waiting for confirmation into what I have to do. Is price looking to continue up, or do we anticipate a possible move to the downside? We just don't know, but we're waiting for what? For confirmation. So that's my take on what? On gold. So we move. That pair which we're looking at is USD CAD. So USD CAD, I also don't have a trade idea because if you clearly see how price is, I wouldn't say price is bearish or bullish, right? But price has done what? Price has reacted on our major zone, and price is obviously far from this major zone, from this zone, right? So price is in the middle of our two zones. So obviously once price is in the middle of the top and a bottom zone, I tend to not do anything because it will be confusing of me into what do I have to do here. Do I have to buy? Do I have to sell? When I have my zones that I'm waiting for price to either react or violate on. So I don't have a trade idea on USD CAD. What do? We move, right? The other page that we're looking at is Tesla. So Tesla, we're also keeping it simple, guys, on Tesla. If you clearly look at how our price or how price is on Tesla, right? You can clearly see that obviously from printing out this high, price came back again with this very same high, and price did what? Violated that very same high. So from this double top that we had and this double bottom that we had, prices violated what? Our double top, closing above, right? So obviously from price moving to the upside, we're waiting for price to give us a retest or confirmation that we are staying above to look to be bullish. Or at the same time, price has created this intraday move for the last time, some previous zones, right? So if it happens that price still holds above the zone, then I can still look to continue moving up. But if price now gives me a confirmation that you're now feeling to be bearish, we're now feeling to be bullish, then I guess I'd have to wait for price to come back to my very same zone, either this one or this one, and give me signs into what is going to happen. I'm either going to violate or hold the zone. Do you guys get that? So last but not least, we're looking at what? At Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I don't have a trade idea. I'm also waiting for confirmation because from price having this push and this exhaustion, we also had a push and an exhaustion and a push and an exhaustion and a push and a sideways movement. So we had this push and an exhaustion and a push and an exhaustion and a push and an exhaustion and a push. And price did what? I started moving sideways. So obviously from price, holding this sideways movement, from price holding the sideways movement, you can clearly see that we technically are having a break below this very same sideways movement. So obviously from a sideways movement and a break below, we're now looking to do it to take ourselves, but we're now waiting for confirmation into what is going to happen. Are we going to get further confirmation or reasons to what we have to do? Is it going to continue moving down, or is just a fake out to trap buyers, to trap sellers, and move in the initial direction of being bullish? We just don't know. That's why I say I'm waiting for confirmation. Do you guys get them? So this would be my trade idea on what I'll be looking for the coming pairs this week. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel, to share the videos, to comment on the video, to check out my other brokers that I use by clicking the links on my description or the daily live blog. So if you want to talk Forex, do anything Forex, I'm up for Rob, I'm up for anything. You can either click the link to hit my Instagram line, to hit my Instagram on DM, or you're gonna hit my line. I've left the numbers right there if you want to talk Forex or do anything Forex. I love my line. You can just hit my line. But without further ado, let's win, let's win, let's win, let's win, let's win, let's win, let's win. The Super Harlem. That's all I got in this video.